Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today is 7-1, zero and negative exponent, and our objective is to simplify expression involving zero and negative exponent. Okay, now or today we will learn how to deal with a zero and negative exponent and use our knowledge or our information how to deal with the zero and negative exponent to simplify expression. First of all, my dear student, you know, if you have like this one exponent, you know that it is equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Yes, we know before, which is good. Now he asked me to know, what if I have 2 with power negative 3? Okay, an easy way, you have to know, you have to do like this. Draw the symbol of the fraction, and because the power is negative here, okay, it must be down. You have to write it down, so it will be 2 with power 3. So teacher, if the power is negative, okay, if I put it down, it will be positive. Yes, but what about up here? Clearly it is 1. Okay, clearly it is 1. So what will be the answer? It will be like this: 1 over 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. And you know that from here we have 8, yes? So instead of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, it is equal 8. See what is the difference now? See what is the difference? Okay, that means the negative number or the negative exponent, I have to put it down. Yes, till now, yes. But teacher, if I have like this, what I should do? Okay, an easy way, if you put this up, keep this. If you put this up, it will be positive. Okay, what's about down, teacher? As I said before, it is 1. So it is just a movement, yes? Yes. The power, I can change the sign of the power or the exponent. Okay, I can opposite the sign of the exponent if I move it from up to down or from down to up. Yes, this is the rule. Great. Let us apply what we learned here. You see this one? The exponent is negative, yes? So I can put it down. It's 3 with power 2 not. And regarding to up, we said every time is 1. Okay? So it is equal 1 over 9. Teacher, from where you get the 9? It is 3 with power 2, my dear student. It is equal 3 multiply 3. Okay, the power, it is 2. How many times the 3 will multiply by itself? It's 2. So 3 multiply 3 equal 9. I know you know it, my dear student, but just remind you. Okay, again, the rule is if I want to change the sign of the power, okay, if it is negative, okay, just change its position. If it is up, put it down. If it is down, put it up. Teacher, here it is mean up? Yes, because this over 1 already, yes? Okay, my dear student. Now, what's about the 0, teacher? Let me take you a trip here. Anything with power 0, whatever we have here, it is equal 1. Okay, if it is negative, If it is positive, if it is a fraction, if it is negative fraction, if it is decimal, doesn't matter. Each time it is equal 1 because the power is 0. Okay, this is the second rule. Okay, so move it up, move it down. Okay, for the negative exponent it will be positive, change the position, and the exponent 0 or the power 0 all of time give me 1. Great boys. Let us apply what we learned here. Now, like this one, what is the power? It is 0. Directly, without thinking, it is equal 1. Here, the negative, the power is negative. What we have to do, we have to put it down. It will be negative 5 with power 2. Yes, I change only the power sign. Okay, but this teacher, it is negative, still negative? Yes. Okay, and every time and every time if the power is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever the sign of the base, it will be positive. Now, and what's regarding up here? 1, so it will be 1 over 25. Yes, yes, my dear student, the negative number, if the power is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, whatever, the answer should or must be positive. You have to ignore the negative number. I hope it is clear for you. Let me clear this screen and let us take this one. It is negative 12 with negative 1. Directly, what we have to do, we have to change the position of the 12 with power negative 1. It will be 12 with power 1. And take the negative with it. Okay, and 12 with power 1, it is the same. So I have 1 over negative 12, which equal the same, negative 1 over 12. Okay, teacher, if I keep it like this, it is the same. If I put it like this, it is the same. The most important thing, you have only one negative. Okay, great. Let us take 17 here. It is 1 over 2 with power 0 here. What we said about the power 0, yes, it is 1 whatever. So 1 over 1 equal 1. Good boys. Now let us take number, okay, here, number 15. The power is 0, so 0. Okay. Okay, number 18. Number 18, 58, negative 1. Directly, we do like this. 1 over 58 with power 1. I change the position, so I change the power. Power 1 means the same. Don't do anything. Now here, the power is negative, so I put it down. I change it as positive position. It will be power 2. And you know that 1.5 multiply 1.5, that's mean 2.25. Yes, try to do it. You will figure out it is 2.25. Okay, great boys. Now let us move to the 20 here. 20, what we learned, the power is negative. I have to make it positive, so I will put it, change the position, so I put it down, and the up is 1, so negative 5 with power, sorry, not me, it is my device. Again, in slow motion, equal, the power is negative 3. If I want to change the sign of the power, I have to change the position. Here we have, it is over 1 all of time, So 1 it is up, and negative 5, let me change the color, negative 5 with power 3. See how the power changed to the negative. Now power, now let me take this one here. By the way, negative 5 with power 3 equal negative 5 multiply negative 5 multiply negative 5. Yes? Okay. Here, negative by negative give me positive. Yes? So it will be 25 multiply by negative 5. And negative by positive give me negative. So it is 125, but with the negative sign. Now come here and change this to negative 125. Okay, so you can do it mentally, by the way. Okay, so if the power is odd, 1 3 5 7, and the number or the base here is negative, the answer must be negative. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Now let us move to the second part of this lesson. Here, simplify each expression. The power of b is 0. So it is 1. So what left? 4a. Where's the b, teacher? The b, anything with power 0 is 1. So 4a multiply 1, so equal 4a. Now 22. See, the power or x with power negative 7, what we learned, if I want to change the sign of the power, I change the position, I will raise it up, x with power 7 and over 1, or leave this. You are free. It is easy, teacher. 23, change the position to change the power sign. Go ahead. So it will be 5 over x with power 4. But the 5, teacher, still up? Yes, still up. Actually, my dear student, 5 multiply x with negative 4. It is negative 4, yes? Yes. So this, I will change the sign for this power, the power here. So directly I erase it and write it 1 over x with power 4. Yes, I change the sign. And this is over 1. 5 by 1 equal 5 over x with power 4. Are you happy? So this is the answer, as you see. Now here 24, just change the position. It is down, make it up. So it equals c with power 1, and this is equal c. Okay, my dear students, let us continue. 25, 3, see this one? He tried to trick you, my dear student. What you have before, n. Before you change anything. But you want to change the power. Yes? Okay, it is up. Put it down. So multiply by 3 with power 2. Okay, let me write it here. Okay, again I draw like this. So teacher, I don't change the position for any letter or any number excepted the base and the exponent. Yes, only the 3 with power negative 2 change, and the accessories around it not changed. It is stick or keep the position for them. Okay, so the n is from before, as you said, teacher, but the 3 with power negative 2 must be down. Yes, And what's about up? What left up? Every time if there are nothing, you write 1. Okay, my dear students, so this is the solution for this one. Okay, now let us move to 26. As we learn, this has a negative power. I can put it down to change the power of it, so it is k with power 4. And I know from you, teacher, anything power 0, it is 1. Yes, this is correct, so I will write 1. I'm done. See? Are you happy? I hope so. Let us move to 27. Here. Again, I change the position for the base, the x and the exponent, the power only, and the accessories, what's around it, I keep it as it is. I'm here, my dear student. So the 3 has no relation, yes, and the y has no relation, yes, but what I have to change here, only this guy. I have to put it down, it will be with y, yes, bravo. So it will be multiply x with power 2. See how it's changed? You can write it like this. Okay, my dear student? Okay, if we take 28, the life will be more clear and more beautiful. 28. Yes, your turn, my dear student. What you have to do? Think. Okay, I'll draw this. I keep all the variables and the letters that has no power, like the 3w and the 7a, and stick with this one. It is up and the power is negative, so I will put it down. You see? It is easy, yes? What else? Let us move down here a little bit. Here, I'm working here, my dear student. Let us go. Or we will start from here. Sorry, I will start from here. Let's go. It is easy, teacher. I will draw this. The 6 has no relation. It is just coefficient. The a -1, it will be down. Yes. And the d with power 0, it is 1. Ignore it. The d here. Ignore it. It is 1. And the c is -3. I put it down also. It will be positive. So we're done. Let's go to the next. 34. Again, anything has a power, I change its position. A negative power, I change its position. It is up, it will be down. How I can make it down? Draw this. It will be 2 to the power 3. The x square is positive, keep it up. Okay, positive, I don't care about it. The z with -7 as a power, sorry, I care about it. So it will be z with power 7, positive. Yes, positive 7. Okay, my dear student, it is easy, yes? Here, let us move here. Now, the 12 with power 0, I ignore it at all. It is 1. The t positive power, yes, see here. I'm here, my dear. This give me 1. Yes, and this, it is positive. I keep it. So 1 come from 12 with power 0, and t with power 7. It is okay. But here, at the end, here, I have u with power negative 11. I have to put it down to make it positive. U with power 11. We're done. Okay, this is for you. You can send it to me, my dear student. Okay, so here, be careful. Let me give you a small briefly. Here, negative, you have to put it up. Here, negative, you have to put it down. The s with power 0, it is 1. Okay, my dear student, are you happy now? I hope so. Okay, here he asks you to do it mentally. This give what? Clearly 4, because 2 multiply negative 2 multiply negative 2 give me 4. Here also 4. Here it is negative 8. How you know, teacher, it is negative? The power is odd, so the answer must be negative if the base is negative. But if the power is even like this one and the base is negative, the answer must be positive. Okay? Okay. Here, first of all, we have to fix this problem. I have to put it down. 1 over negative 2 with power 3. This is the first problem I solved. The power problem, which it was negative, I make it positive. The second problem, it is not a problem. I know it is odd. The power is odd and the base is negative, so the answer must be negative. Yes? Negative 2 multiply negative 2 multiply negative 2 equal 8. Yes, and I already write the negative, by the way. I'm done. Okay, I hope so. Okay, now here, how I can complete the pattern here? Easy. 1 over 5 with power 2, it is equal 5 with power negative 2. 1, 5, negative 1. 0, 1. Okay, here 5 with power 1. And here I can write it as also 5 with power 0. Nothing changed, up or down. Here it is 5 with power 2. Okay, let us rewrite the fraction here. Yes, a multiply, I will change this position, it will be up, so b with power 2. Why you change the position? Because the power is negative. I raise it up, it was down. Okay, here he rewrite, he asked me to rewrite. Okay, I will not confuse you. Okay, I will take this one. Okay, 8c with power 5, everything is good. And here 11d with power 4. Oops, I have a negative power here. Push it up to make it positive. Thank you for watching, my dear student. I hope you get all the benefit and the full understanding from this video, and see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Goodbye.